Welcome to Top Cars TV. The arrival of the Honda Big Ruckus PS250 for 2026 brings back a ride that blends rugged scooter practicality with enough attitude to stand out in mixed urban settings. Right from its exposed steel tubing, dual round headlamps and minimalist bodywork, to the claimed 250cc class powertrain, this machine is built to be bold and different. One of the first things you'll notice about the Big Ruckus PS250 is its styling, drawing inspiration from the original PS250 models of the mid-2000s, which featured a 249cc single-cylinder engine and minimalist frame layout. The new version keeps the open-frame aesthetic. The 2026 model apparently retains the toolbox on the side, storage canister, sliding seat, and backrest for the passenger, all packaged in an unusually bold scooter format. It's not pretty in the conventional sense, but its personality is strong. Under the canopy of minimal body panels, the PS250 aims to deliver more than just style. The historical spec for the PS250 listed around 19 horsepower from a 249cc liquid-cooled single, with performance that allowed the scooter to hit roughly 70 to 75 miles per hour in ideal conditions. While details on the 2026 revamp are still emerging, commentary suggests Honda has tuned the setup for improved urban acceleration and usability. The compact wheelbase and low seat height, about 725mm in the older model, make it especially commuter-friendly. In practical terms, the Big Ruckus PS250 is a versatile ride. The sliding seat accommodates differing rider heights. The backrest folds up for a passenger or down for solo comfort. The right side toolbox gives a quirky but functional storage space for tools or small items. Add to that the registration of dual headlights for night visibility and rugged tires that hint at light off-road or rough-road capability, and you've got a bike that doesn't play safe. Some caveats: because of the minimal bodywork, there's little in the way of wind protection. Riders should expect more or feel than a fully fed scooter. The old PS250 also had a noted dead spot in acceleration from about 30 to 40 miles per hour thanks to the CVT behavior. If the 2026 version carries over some of these characteristics, you may want to consider aftermarket tweaks or plan expectations appropriately. For YouTube creators, the Big Ruckus PS250 is a goldmine of content. Its bold styling invites creative filming angles. The urban commute plus weekend ride combo gives variety, and the heritage backstory of the PS250 name gives talking points. Reviewing ride comfort, handling in stop-and-go traffic versus open roads, storage usability, and whether it lives up to the 250cc urban muscle scooter vibe all make great segments. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Big Ruckus PS250 is a standout choice for riders who want something different from the standard scooter fleet. It's quirky, rugged, practical, and rooted in Honda heritage. If you're filming a review or ride story video, lean into its bold looks, talk about the legacy, test the power, handling in real-world city conditions, and explore customization potential. With the right narrative and visuals, you'll be delivering a great YouTube article that captures both the heart and the specs of this unique ride.